Hello YouTube, I'm Yuji at university. Today I'd like to talk about how to make a dream come true. If you want to make your dream come true, put your all effort establishing an excellent environment for your dream. If the environment in quality is high enough, your dream come true very fast and less energy. Ordinary people would put a lot of their effort each day to achieve their goal in their stable environment. So they start feeling tired and bored as time goes by. And eventually they give up and lose their confidence. I give you some example. Let's say your dream is to master Chinese language. You probably start looking for a textbook to learn Chinese without thinking to change any of your environment. I think that would be the ordinary people's first action for the journey, but that is not the best way. Please keep the textbook in the drawer and start finding some Chinese people. Are there any Chinese people around you in your class, school, workplace? If so, try to be friends with them. If you make a Chinese girlfriend or boyfriend, that would be the best start. If not, try to stay as much as you can with them. If you guys become the best friend, that would be the great too. Just make sure you let them know you are interested in learning Chinese language and try to use the language as much as you can in front of them. It would be much better if they can't talk English at all. If you don't have any Chinese around you, please find a Chinese restaurant. Why don't you apply for the part-time job there? Please find any sports activities, events, classes where only Chinese people are around and join it. Try to make some Chinese friends and make your life be busy with hanging out with them. You may want to live with them in Chinatown. You may even go to China to live. That would be great environment establishment as well. You can start reading the textbook after setting down the new environment. I think you automatically read the book without any effort afterhand. The most important thing to make a dream come true is to establish a good environment for the dream. If the environment's quality is high enough, your dream will come true very first with least effort. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.